welcome back to another episode of my hard drive obsession. I have too many old hard drives that I don't know what to do with. Please help me. In today's video, we are going to be doing a little bit more with our transparent top WD Caviar that we built last video. Today specifically, I've put the hard drive in a caddy, and I'm going to be playing some of my Steam library off of it to see how it does in random seek. If you want to see like the build video, go watch last video. It was really interesting and it was fun to do. But yeah, I'm going to be putting some applications and games on it and seeing how they do. But yeah, it's copying at about 18 megabytes per second, and this thing is so loud. This is so loud. It's ridiculous how loud this drive is. The top cover is to, two things. It's to shield from interference, magnetic interference. In this state, a fridge magnet could easily destroy this drive because it's not very well shielded with the plastic. I'm sorry if you might not even be able to hear me over this thing. Oh my god, that is so loud. And it serves a second purpose, so that your drive doesn't sound like this. I can literally hear it from down the hall. It says it's going to take an hour to copy all of the stuff to this drive, which makes sense, it's pretty slow, but that doesn't make me want to sit through this any longer. Like, I love hard drive sounds, but, I mean, at this point, it's getting a little too much. I'm not gonna lie. You can see now that we've copied a little more data to the drive, it's putting the files closer to the center of the disk, because that's how it works. It fills from edge to closer to center. The drive keeps turning off and back on, and it just did it again. Come on, keep copying. I don't know what's going on here, but it seems like it's starting to have issues. So I'm just going to cancel my copy operations, scan it for bad sectors, and then just go from there. Oh no, I just did it again. It just spun down and... Come on, spin back up. Come on. You can do this. Don't die on me now. Now it's just giving me a sick beat, which, I mean, honestly, I can't complain. I'm just gonna unplug this poor thing and just let it sit for a while and see if that fixes anything at all. Alright, gonna plug it back in. I hope it didn't die. Oh no, I think it might be dead. Yeah, I think it's dead. That's really unfortunate. Well, I think I've only had it for a few days and I've already killed it.